To transfer cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Robinhood, start by opening the Crypto.com app and selecting the Accounts option from the bottom of the screen. Then, click on the Wallet option, which will display the total value of your cryptocurrency. From the list of cryptocurrencies, choose the one you want to transfer. For this example, Bitcoin will be selected. Click on the Transfer button, followed by Withdraw in the pop-up window, and then select External Wallet. Click on Add Wallet Address and paste the wallet address from your Robinhood app. To find the wallet address in Robinhood, open the app, go to the Crypto option, and select the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Scroll down and click on the Receive button to get your wallet address. Then click on Copy Address. Go back to the Crypto.com app, paste the wallet address, and enter a name for your wallet. Click Continue to add the wallet address. Then click on the Withdraw button next to the added wallet. Confirm the withdrawal by checking that the wallet address and network type are correct, and that they match in both Robinhood and Crypto.com. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Click Withdraw, and then confirm the withdrawal. Finally, enter your password to complete the transfer of cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to Robinhood.